All right, this side we're going to be talking about volume. We're going to find the volume of rectangular and triangular prisms, which should be review from last year, okay? So our formula for volume is V equals capital BH. Okay, we could also say this as V equals, what does it mean when they are touching? Multiply, B times H, okay? Now, that's not base because it's not a little b, it's a big B. This B means area of the base, okay? The biggest thing is that you need to identify the bases in these shapes, okay? The base always has the same shape opposite of it, okay? So I'll kind of show you how to label those. Once you find the area of the base, in this case it'll either be a rectangle, a square, or a triangle, then you just multiply it by the height, okay? The height is what connects the bases. So if we look at number 4, okay? On number 4, we've got 9 by 8 by 7, okay? This is nice because these are really easy. Rectangular prisms are, you can think about length times width times height. But if I follow this formula, I need the area of the base. So I'm going to pick this as my base. That means this is my other base. See how they're opposite of each other? One's on top, one's on the bottom. I also could have picked the front and the back, or the left and the right side, okay, or the face. So this is my base, so that means I'm going to need the area of that. Well, area of a rectangle, because it's a 9 by 8, is going to be 9 times 8. 9 times 8 in your calculator, or you should know that fact, is 72. So that's the area of the base. The other thing I need is the height. So I'm just going to do 72 times 7. I'm going to use my calculator. 72 times 7. I get 504. So my answer is 504 inches cubed. Notice I use a 3 for volume. Okay? Also see, I did 9 times 8 times 7. 9 times 8 times 7. So that's if you have a rectangular or a cube. Alright, then we have this other shape. We have a triangle base. So here's my base, and here's my other base, because they're opposite. Nowhere else do I have perfectly opposite sides. So my base shape is a triangle. That's a triangular prism. Okay, we'll find the area of the base. Ooh, let's remember, how do you find the area of a triangle? It's not base times height. It's 1/2 times base times height. Or you can think of base times height divided by 2. Okay, so I've got 8 by 6. 1/2 times 8 times 6. 48 times 1/2, we get 24. Alright, then I just multiply by the height. Remember, the height is what connects those bases, so this is my height. Even though it's on the bottom, you don't see another height connecting your bases, so my height is 12. So I'm going to do 24 times 12. Use my calculator, I get 288. So my answer is 288 centimeters cubed. Alright, keep working through it. Once you finish both sides of your worksheet, you can then do your cool down. They relate directly to your answers on here. Okay? You got it. Ask the sub for help if you need it.